Hello students, welcome back. In this video we will see how to pass journal entries or pass voucher entries in using journal voucher. Okay, this is the last kind of voucher that we will see. We have already seen contra, payment, receipt, sales, purchase, debit note and credit note. Okay, and the last one that we'll see is this F7 journal voucher. Now what is the journal voucher? This is for adjusting entries or entries that do not involve cash or bank transaction. Okay, so if an entry does not find place in cash payment voucher, receipt voucher and contra voucher, then it can find easily place in your journal voucher. Okay, so there are two examples I'll give you of what could come to journal voucher. The things that I will do is your first one is your depreciation on machinery, and second one I'll do is bad debt. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Other items that comes here are your provision for doubtful debts, then discount allowed, discount received, also purchasing of machinery on credit. Say purchase of machinery or any asset on credit is not a purchase, is not a receipt, is not a payment, so it will come to the journal voucher. Okay, so let me just show you how on this machinery we will pass depreciation entry. Okay, so for that we have to go first to the journal voucher by pressing F7. Okay, debit will be depreciation. We have not created depreciation account, so we will create a depreciation account. Okay, depreciation on machinery. Depreciation on machinery, it's what? It's not a fixed asset, it's an indirect expense. Okay, depreciation on machinery is an indirect expense. Accept the screen. Depreciation on machinery is there. Suppose 10,000 is depreciation. To debit will be machinery, credit will be machinery because machinery is reducing. Okay, so all you have to do is press enter and write the narration and accept the screen. So now press Alt G for go to and check the balance sheet. Press Alt F5 for detail, and here you will see machinery is 90,000. How? Debit is 1 lakh and credit is 10,000. How? You can go even further and see the vouchers that has been passed. First one is payment voucher for machinery, that is cash, 1 lakh rupees we bought machinery, and second one is a journal voucher, depreciation on machinery for 10,000. so that's why our balance is shown as 90,000. You can also check profit and loss account. Again Alt F5 for detail. Here you will see under indirect expenses we have depreciation on machinery. Okay, you can try this on your own if you have time. Alright, so the other thing that I said I'll do is bad debt. Bad debt, just like depreciation of machinery which reduces the machinery, similarly bad debt also reduces the debtor. Okay, so bad debt will be debited. We have not created bad debt account, so let me create bad debt. Bad debt will be under indirect expenses. Accept it. Suppose 500 rupees is bad debt. 2 will be the debtor. Where is our debtor? We have Siamu Traders as debtors. Okay, so the Siamu Traders may not pay 500 rupees. If you press enter, it will take you to bill wise detail screen. Here you have to choose against reference. Why against reference? Because we have already earlier sold him the Siamu Traders some amount. Okay, so on that amount we are having the bad debt. Bad debt is not coming a new item. It's not a new item. It's already paid. Amount is already outstanding. On that outstanding amount, some amount will not be paid. So from this reference, against reference, we have to choose so that the bill can be adjusted. So here you can see balance is 2,08,000. This guy has to pay. So out of this 2,08,000, 500 he will not pay. Okay, it has become bad debt. Accept the screen, and again press go to. Check your profit and loss account first. Alt F5 for detail screen. Now you can see bad debt is appearing here under indirect expenses. Similarly you can check the balance sheet also. Here you can see debtors 2,07,500 is coming. How it is coming here? You can go inside and check the detail. Sales, we sold for 2,40,000. Then sales again, credit note that is being returned by the debtor 32,000. So balance was something, and out of which 500 is a bad debt. Okay, so it will be, the balance is 2,07,500. 32,500 has been 32,000 has been returned and 500 has been bad debt. Okay, so you may try other items like purchase of machinery on credit, purchase of typewriter on credit, or expenses wrongly credited to other account, like we are supposed to pay suppose electricity bill for 500 rupees. Okay, but instead of electricity bill we pay the water bill. So what to do with that? So you have to reverse the journal entry. So like that you can always do. Okay, you can test on your own. You can also try the provision for bad debt, discount allowed, discount received, and other things. Okay, thank you.